Ready to unlock a game-changing way to collect payments directly where your customers already are. First, log into your Aisensy account. Navigate to the integration section on the dashboard, usually found in the settings menu or on the left-hand sidebar. Next, find WhatsApp Pay and click on Connect or Set Up. You'll be prompted to enter your business details such as your bank account information, business name, and address. Make sure you have all these details handy. Once you've entered all the required information, submit it for verification. Aisensy will then verify your details with WhatsApp Pay. After successful verification, you will see a confirmation message that WhatsApp Pay is successfully integrated with your Aisensy account. Now, to initiate a payment request, go to the Campaigns or Outbox section, create a new message or use an existing template, and select the WhatsApp Pay option. Enter the amount you want to charge and the customer's WhatsApp number. A payment link or request will be sent to your customer directly within WhatsApp. Your customer can then securely complete the payment within their WhatsApp chat. Finally, track your payments in the Reports or Transaction section. You can monitor successful transactions, pending payments, and overall revenue directly from your Aisensy dashboard. Start making sales seamlessly with WhatsApp Pay today.